Welcome to Math Media Ganitham Madhuram. Today I am going to discuss Chapter 8 Comparing Quantities of Class 8 Mathematics. Here we are discussing questions 3 to 6. Let's move to our first exercise 8.1 question number 3. 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many are not interested in mathematics? See children, here total number of students is given and the percentage of children who are interested in mathematics is given. They are asking the number of children not interested in mathematics. Percentage is given for children who are interested and asking the number of children not interested. So in this case we are not able to find. So first we can find the percentage of children who are not interested in mathematics. Then only we can find the number of children who are not interested in mathematics. So we can find the number of children not interested in mathematics equal to 100 minus 72%. That means 28% of the children are not interested in mathematics. Therefore, number of children not interested in mathematics equal to 28% of 25. That means 28% of total number of students. Now we can convert it into mathematical form. How we can convert? Yes, 28% means 28 upon 100. Of means multiplication. Then write 25. Here we can do the cancellation 125. So denominator become 4 and numerator become 28 into 1. Again 4 and 28 can be cancelled. We get 7 and 1 respectively in numerator and denominator. Hence the answer equal to 7. That means 7 students are not interested in mathematics. Our next question, question number 4. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? We have to find the total number of matches played. That we don't know, so we can take it as X. And they have won 10 matches. That means number of matches won equal to 10. And the percentages of matches won equal to 40 percentages. Here the percentage won and number of matches won is given and asking the total matches played. So we can take the total matches played equal to X. That means 40% of the total matches played equal to 10. We can write it in the mathematical form. 40% of x equal to 10 can be written as 40 upon x into 40 upon 100 multiplied by x equal to 10. Now we can solve x, 40x equal to 10 into 100 or x equal to 10 into 100 upon 40. After cancelling 10 and 40 we get 1 upon 4 into 100. Again 104 can be cancelled, we get 25. What is x? Yes, x means the total number of matches played. So the team played 25 matches. Next we move to question number 5. If Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? we don't know how much money she has in the beginning. So we are taking the money in the beginning with her as rupees X. And here it is given the percentage of money spent, and it is given the money left. So we are not able to calculate. So first we can write like this: money left is given here, that is rupees 600 after spending the money. So we can find the percentage of money left. First we have to find out. So percentage of money spent equal to 75%. Hence the percentage of money left equal to 100 minus 75 equal to 25% money. That is the money now she is having is rupees 600. That is how much percentage? 25% of the total money was rupees 600. Now we are able to calculate the total money easily. Money left with her is rupees 600. This means 25% of total money is rupees 600. Total money we have taken as X. So we can write this as 25% of X equal to rupees 100. Now we can convert into mathematical form. So we can write like this way: 25 upon 100 into X equal to rupees 600. Now we are able to solve X from this equation. That is 25x equal to 600 into 100. X equal to 600 into 100 upon 25. 25 and 100 can be cancelled. We get 2400. That is rupees 2400. X means the total money in the beginning with her. Hence, Chameli had rupees 2400 in the beginning. Look here in the question, children. Here the percentage of money spent is given and the money left is given here. So we are not able to find the total money. So either we have to find, it is compulsory to find the percentage of money left. Then only we can calculate the total money. Next, our question number 6. If 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? That is the first part of the question. Second part, if the total number of people is 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. So we can start writing: percentage of people like cricket is 60, percentage of people like football equal to 30. Therefore, percentage of people like other games equal to 100 minus of 60 plus 30. That is 100 minus 90 equal to 10%. So our first part of the question, the answer will be like this way: 10% of the people like other games. Now we move to second part of the question. We can calculate the number of people like cricket. Before that, we can write total number of people equal to 50 lakh. Therefore, number of people like cricket equal to 60% of 50 lakh. Now we can convert it into mathematical form. So we get 60% means upon 100, of means multiplication, then we can write 50 lakh. Cancel 2 zeros from the numerator and denominator. We get 30 lakh. That means 30 lakh people like cricket. Next, number of people like football equal to 30% of 50 lakh. Here also we can convert it into mathematical form. 30% means upon 100, of means multiplication. Then write 50 lakh. Cancel 2 zeros from the numerator and denominator. So we get 15 lakh people like football. And the last part, number of people like other games equal to 10% of 50 lakh. That is 10 upon 100 into 50 lakh. After cancelling we get 5 lakh. That means 5 lakh people like other games, 15 lakh people like football, and 30 lakh people like cricket. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.